brakes, even brakes, even brakes, and clutch. That's how we come to a stop, and we push down on the shifter. We don't need a lane filter right now. We are second in line. We're not in a rush. It's okay, it's fine. I love riding my bike. I do love it. Oh my god, my back, guys. I did squats this morning. It's been a minute. It has been a minute. Hit 315 for 5, which, you know, I need to stop being scared and just actually go lift some real weight. But you know what? It was our first exercise of the day. We didn't start at 315, to be clear. We did, you know, like warmed up like 135, 225, 275, 315. And that was fun. But you know, it was cool. I actually enjoyed it. Mirrors are so dirty. This bike's been in the garage for too long.